Welcome to South Jersey Auctions app. So you can download this from your app store. And I'm going to show you how to navigate it. So you just click on the app. And there comes automatically up to upcoming auctions and then past auctions. See, auction is ended, auction is ended, auction is ended. So you can see all of those. But we're going to go up and we're going to click on this auction, which you would just click on the view catalog right there. Okay, now you see download catalog. That's for when you're online, not the app. You can sort by lot number, high price, low price. I'm going to stick with the lot number. And it's at 1,000, so it's going to show you all of the items for auction. Now I'm going to go into, let's show you this. So the next thing is the search bar. So say if I type in sofa, it's going to bring up sofas. Sofa and enter. Then that's coming up because it's a console table, and you can put it behind your sofa, and sofa's in the description. So let's see, you got all these sofas. I'm going to go into lot 196, so I'm just going to click right on it. And if I have a video for the item, it will show it as the very first picture. This one, I do have a video. I'll click on there real quick.
Rob Abington here,
So
auction.
That's Rob
Here's
there.
an executive sofa, 3-cushion sofa.
And he's just describing it, all the little details. Super cool. Okay, and we're going to close out of that. So that's the very first lot. Now, if you click on the pictures, you can just click the picture. You can hold and move it and click the rest. Or you can use the carrots to go back and forth. These carrots right here. Okay, now if you, so this right here is just the title. And then it tells you that, how long did the auction. Scroll down further, it gives you the description. I'm not going to click on the terms and conditions or the increments table because there's a glitch. I can't get back to this item number. Now, if you wanted to bid, so this is estimated $500 to $1,500 with an opening bid of $250. You wanted to bid, so you hit enter. Now, if you're a returning customer, you just put in your email and your password. I would recommend hitting remember me so you don't have to remember it. If you're not registered before, you click that and you can put in your name, your email, your phone number, and a password. And I consent and accept the conditions of the processing of the personal data. Then you'd hit register. It's going to send a password to your email. You have to click on that and take you back into here. And then you'll finish setting up your account, credit card, address, that kind of stuff. And then you have to put in a credit card even if you're going to pay me cash or come pay by check because it won't let you bid unless you do that. Now, and I told you if you click this carrot here, that's going to take you to the next item. If you click the carrot going to the right, it's going to take you to the lot 197, say. Okay, and that's the carrot, the little carrot next to the bubbles. If you click the bubbles, it's going to take you back to the whole catalog. Now, I have that sorted by sofa, so I'm going to take that out. And remember, it could be sofa, because it might be in it as a couch, so you just have to keep that into consideration. Okay, now, if you go up to the top and you hit the 3 lines in the upper right corner, it takes you to the menu. It takes you to the home page, the auctions, past auctions, sale dates. There's our sale dates. I'm going to be having a sale between May 31st and June 28th. We got a fantastic toy auction in. Shipping options, now very important. We are not affiliated with nor endorse shippers, but these are shippers that have been on this list for years without a problem. And it tells you for small box items and furniture, larger items. And it tells you where they go, best means of contact, directions. You come in down 295, get off at exit 14. It'll tell you 16, 15, 14, 16A, 16B. Don't listen to it. We're minutes off at exit 14. Now, if you're coming from the turnpike, get off at exit 2. If you're coming from the north, it tells you get off at exit 3. Way out of your way. Don't listen to it. Appointments. So appointments, you can schedule every 30 minutes. Drop-offs do have to be pre-approved. I can't handle more than one person in 30 minutes. So if you see a slot taken, just call me. Just call me or text me or call me or email me. Our phone is a landline. Okay, so with us. Now, through the app, you can put in your details in a message, and then I can respond, and then you could send the photos from the email. If you go directly to southjerseyauction.com, you can send your photos attached to the email. We're open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4. And that just shows you how you can do that. All right, I think that is it. Well, I hope you like it.